Ready to reclaim your YouTube Premium independence? Here's how to easily leave a family group and manage your subscription solo. This tutorial will guide you through leaving your existing YouTube Family Premium group, allowing you to manage your subscription entirely on your own, with individual benefits and billing. First, open your web browser and navigate to the YouTube website. Ensure you're logged into the Google account that is part of the family group. In the top right corner of the YouTube page, you'll see your profile picture. Click on it to open the account menu. From the drop-down menu, select Purchases and Memberships. On this page, find your YouTube Premium subscription. You'll typically see it listed prominently. Next to your YouTube Premium subscription details, look for an option that says Manage Family Group. This will take you to a page dedicated to your family group management. Here, you'll see a list of all members in your current group. Locate and click on the Leave Group button. This is usually found at the bottom or side of the Family Group Management section. You may see a confirmation prompt asking if you're sure you want to leave. Review any information provided and confirm your decision to leave the family group. Once confirmed, you'll be removed from the family group. Your YouTube Premium subscription will now be managed individually, with your own billing and benefits. That's it, you've successfully transitioned to independent subscription management, giving you full control. Enjoy your solo YouTube Premium experience.